Hi, this is Kavinaya from Yugamugi. Today we are going to see beautiful soft silk collection. Soft silks are very premium and beautiful Kanjivaram Mulberry silks, double warp one, completely handmade. We have looms around Coimbatore. Mainly these soft silks are manufactured in and around Coimbatore, all handloom only with silk mark certificate. I'll show you one by one. These particular sarees are of 1000 butta concept. The sarees have beautiful 1000 butta with copper and silver zari work, and contrast pallu and blouse piece is given. A very beautiful tiny buttas, just of 1 inch buttas, done using both copper and silver zari. I'll show you one by one. Very soft, easy to carry, around 550 to 600 grams maximum, around 500 grams the saree is. This saree is a beautiful violet saree, very elegant one, with copper and silver zari woven buttas, both alternatively given, and we have around 18 buttas in a row. Very soft, easy to carry, and we have a very beautiful pallu. The pallu is pure red, chilli red color with very elegant work. You can see the pallu fully copper zari woven work, and we also have the pallu tassels already being made. The blouse piece of the saree is also in the pallu color, contrast red. When you wear, the violet and red combination is really elegant. Beautiful saree. Take a screenshot to book the saree. The saree is priced at 6,950 plus shipping. We do worldwide shipping. All are ready stock. You can directly book. Each saree, one piece. Very few have two pieces since it's a handloom saree. So as early as you book, the stocks will be available. Next saree is green with red combination. This is a different green. Very beautiful, light, radiant green, mild yellow tinge one, dual tone. All these sarees are very beautiful party wears for the functions. You can see the beautiful color. Mild yellow and green mixed color it is with the red combination pallu. If you go for a fleeting as well as for single pleats, these sarees are very elegant and rich. And we have a beautiful red pallu with fully zari woven design. Copper zari, original copper is used here. The tassels are already made, and we have a beautiful red blouse piece. A very beautiful combination. Price is 6,950. Take a screenshot to book. Very elegant one. All are different combinations. We work on the combinations of the colors just to give a exclusive collection. Most are in the extremely different combination only. The pallu and body are of different and extreme combinations. Here we have a beautiful pink saree, a dual tone pink color. Pink with mild orange tinge, a perfect Rani pink color. Always demanded beautiful pink. And we have the buttas. You can see it's small buttas and it's all over given, all over the body. Even you can see full body have the butta work. The combination of the pallu here is a light radiant green with all over copper zari woven design in the pallu. With tassels already made, and we have blouse piece in green. A pretty combination again. Pink is always loved by ladies, so book as early as possible. Price is 6,950 plus shipping. We take returns only for physical damages. Handloom marks will be there in all sarees. Mostly the mild handloom marks will be there. These are not considered as damages. When you do in a handmade process, definitely here and there, whenever the black thread is coming, the handloom marks will be visible. Please don't consider them as damages. And this is a beautiful dark navy blue color. Perfect and beautiful color for this particular design. You can see the buttas are very visible on this dark color nature. Both copper and silver is used alternatively, and we have 18 buttas in a row. So the combination of the pallu here is light green with same light green color. blouse piece. Actually this color is a dual tone. You can see both yellow threads and green threads in the pallu. Very elegant combination. Beautiful one. Ultimately beautiful. Almost looking like black. It is navy blue. Take a screenshot to book. It is 6,950. Next is a very elegant color. Lavender with red combination. A very beautiful lavender color saree. A grey light mixed lavender. Beautiful one. Dual tone. You can see a blue, a violet version as well as lavender version on the saree with fully copper zari woven and silver zari woven buttas. 1000 butta concept. 1000 butta, all over the buttas are given, and we have a red combination pallu. Pallu have beautiful zari woven design. Tassels are already made, and we have a red combination. You can see combination is beautiful and unique, an exclusive one. Take a screenshot to book. Priced at 6,950 plus shipping. A very nominal pricing, affordable, and a wholesale price too. And this is a pure lavender color, a pastel combination saree. The pallu here is also a pastel color. Perfect lavender with half white color, a beige or half white base color for the pallu. Pallu is here, copper zari woven with tassels already made, and we have a same pallu color blouse piece. Very unique combo. The saree is really pretty, almost in the shade of what I am wearing today. Excellent one. Suits almost all skin tones. Very elegant combination. To book, take a screenshot. 6,950 is the price. The last saree, but a very alluring combination here. Yellow. Yellow is considered the best color or the first choice for any functions in our rituals. Perfect lemon yellow color. It is goldish lemon yellow. Very beautiful saree with copper zari and silver zari woven buttas. Buttas are really perfect. Very elegantly done. All sarees are borderless too. With the combination of green, this gives a beautiful look to the saree. Light radiant green, mild yellow combination, and copper zari woven work. And here we have the same yellow color blouse piece. Take a screenshot to book the saree. Very elegant, beautiful yellow with green combination. A unique and beautiful sarees in extra ultimate combinations. Priced at 6,900 plus shipping. All are very beautiful and available, limited stock only. So book as early as possible. All our sarees are handmade and comes with a Silk Mark certificate. Please subscribe our channel if it is not already done. We post lot of videos as well as live sessions. So please subscribe to get notified.